Muslim conquests over the remaining Sassanian territories, a tale of faith, wisdom, and victory. The vast and fertile lands of the Sassanian Empire, stretching along the banks of the Tigris and Euphrates, were now in the sights of the Muslims. Emerging from Medina during the era of the Rashidun Caliphate, the light of Islam was spreading beyond the borders. Every soldier's heart burned with the zeal of sacrifice and the desire to please Allah, and their gaze turned toward these distant lands, where strong forts and ready armies awaited. Under the leadership of Hazrat Khalid bin Walid, R.A., and other companions, the army completed its preparations. Every soldier held a sword in his hand, faith in his heart, and the slogan Allahu Akbar on his lips. Nighttime drills, morning prayers, and day-long exertions were all dedicated to a single purpose: to illuminate the Sassanian lands with the light of Islam and guide the people toward Allah's guidance. The journey began, and the path was arduous and long. Desert sands, rocky mountains, and treacherous rivers tested the faith of the Muslims. Yet Hazrat Khalid, R.A., and the other leaders continuously encouraged the army, reminding them that victory is not only achieved with the sword, but through wisdom, courage, and patience. Every step reflected determination, and every gaze reflected unwavering faith. Along the way, they encountered caravans, tribes, and small fortresses. The Muslims conveyed the message of Islam and transformed hostile relations into friendly ones. In every village and tribe, the light of Islam awakened hearts. These moments unfolded like a story, with awe, fear, and curiosity interwoven into every step. As the Muslim army approached the major forts of the Sassanian Empire, the sight was overwhelming. Towering walls, heavily defended bastions, all tested the resolve of the Muslims. But the light of faith dispelled every fear. Every step radiated courage, every gaze revealed determination, and every heart burned with the desire to please Allah. Upon reaching the front lines, Hazrat Khalid, R.A., gave instructions for the army's formation. One group advanced directly toward the fort, while another flanked from the sides. The Sassanian forces were armed with arrows, spears, and catapults, yet the Muslims' hearts held no fear, only the light of faith. Every strike told a story, and every victory unfolded as a miracle. During the battles, the courage of Hazrat Khalid, R.A., and the companions sowed confusion within enemy ranks. The glint of swords on the ground, the chants of takbir in the air, and the light of faith in every heart created a cinematic spectacle. After each victory, the Muslims conquered not only lands but hearts, as the inhabitants of the Sassanian Empire embraced Islam and justice and fairness were established. Ultimately, the Muslim advance over the remaining Sassanian territory succeeded. Forts fell, towns came under Muslim governance, and local tribes accepted Islam. This story was not merely a conquest of land, but a triumph of faith, wisdom, courage, and sacrifice. Every step, every front, and every victory proved that with Allah's pleasure and the power of faith, the impossible becomes possible.